A little heads up for restaurants, bars, and other food establishments. Public health is cracking down on those who aren't keeping up with sanitary and health standards. Violations are going to get more expensive, according to Management Analyst Francine Salas from the Division of Environmental Health. The penalties were added to the rules and regulations so that violators will be deterred from repeating violations.
We're basically covering, I'll say about 10 to 12% of the total health-related establishments that we're supposed to be inspecting. And so that may put that in your mind as what you're seeing in terms of recent closures may only be 10% of the potential violators out there. And everybody's still eating at establishments that are still open that haven't been subject to an inspection.
Salas detailed what happens when a restaurant is caught in violation of the revised sanitary permits regulations by the environmental public health officer.
If they cite violations, sometimes they can be corrected on the spot, but sometimes not. And so sometimes the violation is large enough to warrant a temporary suspension or revoking of their sanitary permit in which they cannot operate the business. Based on their report, administrative penalties would be determined. And so based on the report, based on the violation found. And then so it isn't until they pass a reinspection that they're able to get their sanitary permit reinstated and they're able to operate again. So reinspection and the payment of the administrative penalties is what would be needed.
The new fines went into effect on April 19 and include a wide range of penalties. Some include operating an establishment without a valid sanitary permit. Fines go from $350 to as high as $2,500. Also, knowingly letting a person with a communicable disease work that can potentially spread to the public while that person is employed there. This fine ranges from $500 to $5,000. And importing a consumer commodity that is misbranded, adulterated, or prohibited by law. This fine goes from $500 to $25,000. For the full list of penalties, go to KUAM.com. Also, beginning November 1st of this year, fees for sanitary permits will increase, so those seeking to get a permanent establishment sanitary permit can expect to pay $368 if your restaurant or bar has 1 to 10 employees. With food establishments having 11 or more employees, the fee is the same, plus another $5 should you go beyond 10 employees. Daniel Perez reporting for KUAM News.